Your shorts get this type of views because you have low view versus sweep and low audience retention. So in this video I'll share a method to solve this problem within 2 minutes. Go to your YouTube studio, you see this video has a very low view versus sweep, and if we go to audience retention it's also low. Now if we click on the audience retention, the graph kinda look like this. As you notice, there have few dips in this graph. So dips mean people are losing their attention at that point and swiping your video from that point. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this graph. Then I will open in YouTube Studio in a browser in PC. If you don't have PC, don't worry. Go to Chrome browser on your phone, search YouTube. Now click on the three dots in Chrome browser and select the desktop side. YouTube will open in desktop mode. Click on your channel icon and select YouTube Studio. Now select the video which have low view versus sweep. Now go to editor option. Here you see a trim and cut option. Now closely look where the dips created in the graph. Then add a new cut and before 1 and 2 seconds of these dips, or where you feel that the part is less attractive. So in this video intro is less attractive, so I'm gonna cut few seconds from intro. Also the last part was not so good, so I'm gonna cut it through. I hope I'm done. Now save it and it will take some time to edit for YouTube. And now your view versus sweep and audience retention will increase definitely. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and like the video. By the way, if your video is not interesting, no matter how much you cut the dips, it will not get so much views. So make sure that you make quality content.